framework of the staff augmentation platform. This term has been trending for many decades, particularly among dynamic. It has boosted the economic level of all organizations by allowing them to develop their stakeholders' teams without incurring additional costs. The partnership is robust enough for marketing members and other commercial enterprises to use your technological and non-technological resources. All of these tactics aid in recruiting internal resource and external developers throughout the length of the project. The recruiting members should have a comprehensive understanding of the staff augmentation process, which will enable them to evaluate the present members of the business teams. Additionally, the staff augmentation process assists customer and other business needs by assessing the necessity for deployment services and other external sources. Staff augmentation is becoming a well-known platform for hiring committed individuals, and there are additional outsourcing initiatives related to the foundation for working on execution and compliance. So how does it work? To assist you in understanding how it works, we have broken down the full operation into the following fundamental steps. Determine your specification. It is first and most critical step that business organizations must take before hiring people. Two of these are beneficial in establishing the criteria and parameters for what the idea seeks. You must be able to identify the resources required for employing specialists precisely. All team members are continually involved in requirement identification to ensure no resource gap in technical and non-technical assets. For defining the candidate specifications, review and selection. It is a second step in appreciating the value of staff augmentation. The team members responsible for recruiting individuals for forthcoming projects may also take control of the process of assessing all job inquiries received and eventually analyzing the selection of prospects based on several criteria. The onboarding of a new team member, because team members often make errors by signing a contract with the incorrect applicant. It is the job of the recruiting authority to monitor integrating new team member into the new company. All of the losses fall on the business, which becomes more difficult to handle in a short period of time. The fourth individual must be very concerned with successfully integrating new members. Before executing the onboarding process, they must ensure that they give complete support for the successful integration of new members. Additionally, it would help if you have confidence in the contacts of all new workers, so that the validation and verification of all papers can be legalized according to the company's policies and standards. One should exercise caution in processing all regulations and guidelines with the allotted period to ensure that everyone becomes acquainted with one another's assistance in new job. Consistent assistance and nurturing one integration process is over. You must continue to assist your new employees. Additionally, you must get their input and develop strong connection to enable successful and efficient collaboration.